In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out in Slack. Whether you're wrapping up for the day, switching accounts, or simply wanting to ensure your session is secure on a shared device, knowing how to log out is an essential skill for anyone using Slack. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's make sure you are logged in and on the home page of your Slack workspace. This is typically the first screen you'll see when you open the Slack application or website. It contains all your channels, direct messages, and any other features that help you stay connected with your team. If you're not there yet, go ahead and navigate to your home page. It gives you access to everything you need, including the option to log out. Now, once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. This is where you'll spot your profile icon, which usually displays your avatar or a placeholder image if you haven't customized it yet. Your profile icon is your gateway to managing your account settings and preferences. Upon clicking this icon, a menu will pop up, presenting you with several options related to your account and workspace functionalities. In this menu, scroll through until you find the option that's either labeled as Log Out or Sign Out. Slack, like many applications, occasionally updates its interface, but the general idea remains the same. The logout or sign out option is your cue to safely exit the application. This is an important step to remember, especially if you share your device with others or are using a public computer. Properly logging out protects your workspace and personal information from unauthorized access. Once you've located the logout or sign out option, go ahead and click on it. The system will then sign you out of your current session. It's a quick process, and shortly you'll be redirected to Slack's login page. If you ever need to access Slack again, you'll just have to type in your credentials to log back in, and that's all there is to it. Logging out of Slack is a straightforward process, but it's crucial for keeping your account secure and organized. Remember, staying vigilant about signing out when you're finished can save you from potential security headaches down the line. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Slack support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials on our channel for more helpful tips and tricks in managing your digital workspace. Until next time, happy slacking.